Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison and I'm going to show you how I bleached and toned my hair at home with products purchased at Sally's Beauty Supply. I'm going to go from a deep brown roux with grown out highlights to an all over cohesive bright platinum blonde that is silky, shiny, and icy. I am not a cosmetologist, but I have been doing my own hair at home for years. And whether you are a DIY lover like myself, or you're just trying to save some money, maybe you can't get into the salon right now, I hope that you can learn something from my technique. All of the products and formulas used in this video will be provided in the description box below. The first step in this blonding process is to bleach the hair. I'm using my favorite Creme lightener combined with a level 40 developer. A Creme lightener is so much easier to mix and whip up than a powder lightener. Definitely do your research when selecting which bleach you want to use, but this one is my favorite. Sectioning the hair is essential in achieving an even application. In my experience, the smaller section used, the better. I would recommend recruiting a helping hand for your application. However, I will be demonstrating a self-application today because I'm currently on my own. Always wear gloves when working with bleach to avoid chemical burns, and proceed with caution. I prefer working with a lightener with a thinner consistency than what you see here. I struggled with this first application when following the ratio of 1 part bleach to 2 parts developer. I ended up switching to a ratio of 1 part bleach and 3 parts developer later on. You don't want your bleach to be too thick that it doesn't coat the hair, but you don't want it to be too thin that it's runny and difficult to coat the strand. I worked in sections from the bottom up, combing through each layer with my Tangle Teaser. I'm focusing the bleach only on the areas of my hair that are dark and not pre-lightened. When splitting the sections of my hair, I apply the lightener to both sides of the part, then flip the hair over and apply to the next section. After about 20 minutes, I began to see the color changing on the bottom layers. It is important to check your hair frequently to avoid overprocessing. If you have thinner or lighter hair than myself, you will see results quicker. After completing the initial application, I created a thinner mixture of bleach using the same products as I did before. I used this mixture to touch up any areas that I missed previously. The more developer used for the mixture, the more spreadable that your mixture will be, allowing you to evenly coat all small perimeter pieces of hair. The first bleach bath is more orange in color, and the second bleaching process is more yellow. The hair always looks worse when it is wet, so when you're finished processing, try not to panic. Bleached hair never looks good without toner. Blonding is a process, and your hair always looks worse before it looks better. The next step in this blonding process is to tone the hair. The toning process is very simple and far less damaging or intimidating as the bleaching process. However, it is so critical to ensure a beautiful end result. I'm including a blue additive in this mixture to color correct the dark tones in my hair. However, if your natural hair color is lighter than mine, this might not be necessary for you. My hair has been rinsed and shampooed and left with very warm light tones. Toner is used to cool down warm tones and color correct the tones in the hair. However, toner does not lighten the hair. To achieve a platinum blonde, you must ensure your hair is lightened or bleached to the desired shade before toning. I am applying the toner from tip to end to tone all of my hair to be the same color. I apply the product with the brush and then massage the mixture through my hair with my hands. While toner is developing, it turns to a bright purple hue. This color is used to neutralize the brassy yellow or warm orange tones in the hair. In my experience, I achieve the best results when leaving the toner in for a full hour, which is typically far longer than product directions. I recommend checking on your hair frequently to determine the best processing time for you. If you overtone your hair color, this will result in generally unwanted blue or purple shades. My favorite tip to remove those unwanted tones is to wash out your hair using a dish soap to correct the overprocessing. After rinsing my hair, my roots are left bright and icy. However, the back underside of my hair was too dark and brassy for my liking, so I decided to repeat the process again. If your hair is stubborn like mine, you may need to repeat the bleaching and toning process several times until you reach your desired result. The lightener mixture that I made for this step was the perfect consistency, smooth, thin, and whipped for ideal coating. I used a hand mirror to ensure that I didn't miss any sections, and I applied the lightener heavily to any stubborn pieces. Again, if you can recruit a partner to help you apply your lightener, I think that would be very beneficial. I begin applying the lightener with the darkest sections first, working from the bottom to the top. I'm lightening the face frame and edges last to prevent overprocessed baby hairs. I leave the bleach on my hair for about 45 minutes before rinsing and shampooing. Because my hair is naturally so dark, I was struggling to get the cohesive bright blonde that I desired. I decided to apply my favorite Demi permanent hair dye in place of toner for the final step. This Demi permanent color deposits pigment to achieve color correcting by staining the outside of the strand. The Ion Absolute Perfection is a 2-part product that is a secret weapon to restoring hair health during the dyeing process. This product is added to the hair mixture to avoid damage and works wonders on the hair for only a few dollars. Mix the Ion Booster to the final mixture of your hair toning process for best results. Apply the Demi permanent hair color from root to tip and process for a full hour. Rinse the hair and use the Ion Color Sealer in place of shampoo and conditioner for silky, shiny, healthy, long-lasting color. Bleaching and toning your own hair at home is no simple task. Do your research and always proceed with caution. I am not a cosmetologist, but I have been doing my own hair at home for years, and I love the way that this platinum blonde turned out. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe.